guys, and welcome back. Today we've got an unboxing video, so let's get into it. Oh, this is hard. So, today we have actually got, well, I know what it is. I'm pretty sure you guys will know what it is as well, but I won't tell you in case you haven't seen. Let's make a surprise, bit of a surprise, shall we? There's someone drifting around the roundabout. What a silly Billy. Gosh. Let me try and get this front stuff off because it's really hard. Right, I've got access to the bottom of the box. So, see if we can get the head off. God, here it is squeezed tight. Let me do some more chopping. Okay, I might be getting somewhere. EI100B ionisation smoke alarm. Just open up the box. Oops, I've got it stuck. There we go. The alarm, any stuff in the box. Quick pause in the video. I've already unboxed it. We do actually have something with it. We've got some instructions just at the front, and yeah, notes all in the alarm, I think. So just open it quickly. So you've got a battery thing that you plug it into, the actual battery, ionisation chamber, and the siren horn, test button, expiry date 2013, manufactured on the 3rd week of 2019, back, mounting screws. Lovely jubbly, let's get the battery in it. Right, let's just get the battery out. So you've got to put that in like that to push it down so the battery's in, because you can't close the lid without a battery. So let's just put the battery in. Another quick pause, there is writing on inside, I'm pretty sure, so let's take a quick look. So it is kind of upside down, so I'm gonna read it out to you. It says, model EI100B ionisation type, use only Duracell, Varta, Energizer, Philips or Gold Peak batteries for repair to EI electronics. And it says something about 2005 there. Don't even ask me what that's about. But yeah, there we go. That's in. So it does the 5/6 tone, and there you go. I'll put a couple of photos of the information up in a minute, but here we are. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.